40 evidences proving the existence of the greatest creator. Open the windows. The sunlight and fresh air will come in. Take a broad view. You will see the faraway mountains fresh and green. Stay and study in Lifechanyuan. A new life will begin. You will see clear scenes of paradise. Once we calm our minds, we can feel that there is a supernatural power in control of the movement of the universe and the birth and death of all things and the track of human life. No one can deny the fate, yet no one can grasp his own fate. Everything about us seems to be prearranged by certain powers, and we are only moving according to the life courses assigned to us. So, does this supernatural force really exist or not? Is there a supreme intelligence manipulating everything? If not, then how did the universe come into being? Where did the diverse and varied life on Earth come from? And if there is such a supernatural force, where does it reside? What form does it take? Is it like a human? What are its characteristics? Why can't we see it? Does it care about human society? How does it manage this vast universe? How can we come to know it? 18 Gene, a sealed book of life. Gene is a structure, the mansion of life. It is the general term for the special nucleotide sequences with genetic effect in DNA molecules. The resemblance of children to their parents is caused by the reproductive function of genes, which pass on the genetic information to the next generation. The different gene structures account for why the white race is white race, black race is black race, yellow race is yellow race, dog is dog, and rose is rose. Gene constitutes part of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, and accounts for only 2% to 4% of total mass of DNA. A molecular chain composed of phosphate and sugar, DNA is double helix in structure, namely two mutually stranded helixes of molecules, connected in the middle by the crossband called basic group. Science has determined that the number of human genes is approximately 30,000, each gene possessing 14 different versions on average. Human genome contains about 42,000 gene versions. The birth, growth, decline, and death of life is regulated by genes. Over 8,000 known human diseases are related to genes. The natural healing of the wounds in animals and plants is the result of genes' endeavor to retain their own perfect structures. Scientific exploration and research showed that there are 1 trillion cells in human body and that in each cell there are 23 pairs of chromosomes, and in each chromosome there are 30 billion base pairs. If all the chromosomes in the human body are linked head to tail, the total length will be more than 600 times the distance between the Earth and the Sun. If all the information of a chromosome is written down, it will fill up a 200,000-page phone book. The difference of chromosomes between individuals is only 0.1%. The comparison of the gene sequences of any two individuals reveals that 99.9% of the gene sequences are the same. The differences between the billions of people on Earth today are attributed to the 0.1% gene difference. What functions do the majority, 97%, of chromosomes within the human genomes have remains a mystery. Gene is a sealed book of life. Human Genome Project has involved the top science and technology talents and most advanced technological equipment of America, England, Japan, Germany, France, and China. After more than a decade's hard work, do we finally see the basic framework of the mansion of life, gene. However, the functions and mysteries hidden within the other structures of this framework remain largely unknown. From my perspective, we have merely scratched the surface, understanding only 0.1% of 0.1%. Shouldn't we think that gene is the fruit of the wisdom of the greatest creator? Can such an intricate structure come into being without the greatest creator? Some people would stick to their theory of natural happening. Then please tell me what happening naturally means.